What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use AI to dominate the SEO space with your website. Now, this could be a website for all your listings that's connected to a CRM. It could be a standalone website that's just for you. Whatever it is, I'm going to show you exactly how to plug and play this tool and build out your SEO properly. SEO has always been one of these things that's kind of hard to learn or impossible to understand, or only a few people really know it and you don't really know what to do with it. I'm the same way. I don't really get it, but now I found a way to hack the system with AI, and that is with Manus. Manus AI, if you haven't checked it out yet, is a phenomenal piece of AI software. It's agentic AI. It does tasks for you in the background. You can program it to do a ton of stuff, and I'm going to drop a load of videos on Manus because I just love it so much. But today we're just going to focus on one thing, which is SEO. So the problem in the past, if you are trying to build out your website and rank it at the top of Google, have the SEO on point, figure out what's going on when people search for things and what things are coming up, you can go in there and look at it. And even with tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, we can ask for tips for SEO, but having actual data on your specific website has been unattainable. So ChatGPT and Gemini LLMs can't run through these websites and click the buttons and do all the stuff because it just doesn't work like that. So with Manus, what actually happens is it goes and uses its own browser and opens up, and I'm going to show you that in action right now. And it's so simple to use. You can see that I've done a ton of SEO audits for different websites that I own. And we're going to use a simple prompt today. Now, if you want to use Manus and check it out, there is a code in the video description here that you can click. It's a referral code for me. I get free credits to do different stuff with Manus. If you want to use it, awesome. If not, you can just go to manus.im/app and you'll get it. So go and check it out. Whatever you do, get on Manus and start using this. This is my #1 AI tool. So here's what we're going to do. Super easy and simple prompt here. Run a thorough SEO audit on my website, and then you're going to put in your website here. So the best thing to do is to copy and paste from the search bar and deliver a detailed optimization report with actionable recommendations. Now you can see you've got a few options down here. Let me see if I can get rid of this bar. No. You can upload files here. You can keep it adaptive for agentic execution, which is what you want. You can just have an agent working it, and you can just have it in chat. So you could just have this as a back and forth chat, just like a ChatGPT or Gemini. You could have just the agent working on this, or you can have it adaptive, which means that it goes between both of them. This is what you want to keep on, and this is what we're going to jump into. So hit enter, and it's going to do its thing. Now let's watch Manus in action just for a couple of seconds as it runs. It's very different because what it does is it takes the instructions and then starts to execute on what you're looking for. So it really is like a true agentic agent, like an assistant that's working for you, not just trying to give you answers. So let's take a peek at what's different about Manus here. If we look at Manus's computer, we can pull up here and actually see what it's doing. Now think about what we've had to do in the past to get SEO ideas and get SEO advice. You're having to provide all the information. You're having to say, here's what I've got. What's the best move forward? Give me advice on SEO for XYZ. In Manus, it's actually opening up a browser, going into your website and clicking all the buttons, all the links, all the backlinks to see where things go, to see how things are working inside of your website. So you can see right here, it's evaluating my page right now. There's some stuff that's obviously not right with it. Whenever you see red text, it's not good. So let's let it work for a little bit. This does take a while. It does take a process to go. You can see right here, it's pulling things up. It's searching for things. It's typing things into the search bar. It's clicking on links. It's doing a whole deep dive of your website. And you can see that there's a ton of stuff in this particular website that it doesn't appear to have. So at the end of this, once it's all done, it's going to spit me out a report on SEO. And then I'm going to show you where the real magic comes in on how you can start to fix and change your website to optimize it to the best of your ability. So as Manus works away in the background on this particular website, I want to show you another one that I did with the exact same prompt. with everything dialed in. So this was for Agent Delegate, which is my virtual assistant company. And you can see how much work it did a ton of stuff, went through everything, went through backlinks, doing everything that it's going to do to your website. And if we scroll down here, here's where it finished. I've completed the comprehensive SEO audit for Agent Delegate, and I've provided a report. And what it does is it gives you files in Word docs of audits and stuff like that. So you can click here, you can see exactly what it says, what it's looking for, what it found from what your results came from, quality analysis, like all these different files. And quite frankly, I didn't look at all these. I'll show you what I did. But you can also click on view all files and it will give you all the files that it spit out. Technical analysis, like tons of stuff. Because here's the deal. We want to get the information, but SEO isn't something that we should be doing. Like once we've got this information, this is not something that you should be doing to jump into your website and spend like a whole week or two typing things in and fixing things. That's a waste of your time. You just want to get this information to the people who can do it for you. But you can see even for this, these different files, I didn't want to give it to my web developer and just be like, okay, go through all these files and figure out what to do. What I ended up coming down here is saying, turn your creation into a website and deploy it permanently. So what Manus can do is actually create a real website that has all this data on it that my web developer can go on and click through and do all. So you can see right here, it built a website. So if we go visit this here, now instead of having to send my guy all those files and have him dig through everything, it has all of this in an actual website, which is amazing. So you can go through all things. You can go like, okay, technical SEO, there's stuff missing. Let's look at the details. Let's go through all this. And you have all of your information right here. So my advice to you would be to go through this, have a look at it, get the information, build it as a website, and then get it to someone on Fiverr or Upwork. If you need a VA, if you're looking for a VA, hit me up, go to agentdelegate.com. You can find one there. But whatever you do, don't spend time on this yourself. The key here is that you can get all the relevant information that can possibly be dug out of your website, and you have it on a platter to give it to someone who's an expert in the field to get it done. Pay someone on Fiverr, pay someone on Upwork, pay a VA to go and take care of this for you. So then your SEO will start to grow and your website will get noticed more and picked up more on Google. And of course, you're in an AI chat, so there's so much more you could do. We could type in here, give me, a plan for blog creation and how I should utilize that in my website. So now, because it's gone through your entire website, it knows everything about it and knows exactly what's happening with SEO. It's probably going to have a great idea about what to do with blogs, how that could work for your specific website, and what you should do, and give you a plan to do it. So now we've put that in, you can see up here that both agents are now running, right? The website SEO audit that we set up at the start is running, and we are also running our agent delegate, the blog creation strategy. And now it's spit things out. Here's why your website needs a blog objectives and business goals, target audience, and it's starting to build out an entire plan based on what this looks like and based on its knowledge of your website. So this is Manus, guys. We're going to do a lot of videos on this because I truly believe that this is the #1 AI tool that you need in your business. Like I said, if you want to try it out, there is a link in the description. Go and check it out. It is a phenomenal piece of software. And for me, it's my #1 AI tool above everything else. And it's as simple as that. Plug in your website, let it do the SEO audit, get the information back, and give it to someone who can fix it with clear instructions that you've not had to spend hours and days and weeks upon to get. You've got it right here from AI, and it knows exactly how to get your SEO to the top notch and start getting you ranked higher in the search profiles. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.